In today's video, I'll show you how to create a disorienting opening where different parts of the screen zoom in one after another before revealing the full video. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline so the effect feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find disorientation, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, different corners of the screen zoom in sequentially, creating a slightly chaotic and dramatic reveal. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the corner zooms happen. Shorter duration makes the effect intense and fast. Longer duration slows it down, increasing the sense of tension. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the disorientation feels intentional, not rushed. And that's it. You've successfully added a disorientation style zoom reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.